Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a functionality proof video for LG Y mainboard EBR71516301 that is about to be sent to a customer who ordered it on Amazon. Today, 2nd of January 2020. Happy New Year. I'm focusing on those so that the customer can know that this is the board that they will receive. This is somewhat unique marking up there, the F6Q20, whatever that is, printed by LG back at the time, and our label down there. Pay attention, we don't have two of the 4 strips on the top connector, on the top buffer board connected. That is because we have a bad panel, and if we connect those, the buffer board will fail, and we don't want that. Because the signal enters here in a serial fashion to the buffer board, it sends zeros and ones through basically 2 wires, and they're being transformed to parallel signal by the ICs that are on each board. Those are called shift registers. There's no way those 2 missing lines could have been done by the YSUS board. They are caused by the connectors not being connected, and we make that video so that customer avoids the confusion of thinking that if their TV doesn't work, then our board doesn't work. Our board is working fine, but if your panel goes bad, it may kill buffer boards. If buffer boards go bad, they may kill the Y main board. And we're just hoping to avoid a situation where customer wants to return something saying it doesn't work when it's actually not it that it doesn't work. It is their whole TV that doesn't work, but vendor gets the blame. That is not right, it's not fair, and we want to help those who want to know the truth, where the problem lies. It is not in that board, it's being serviced, it is tested as you can see, and we will be shipping it shortly. Thank you.